Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And today we are going to discuss about 2015 IMO question paper for class 3 students. The first topic is logical reasoning. 1. Which figure comes next in the given figure pattern? And this is the given figure pattern. If we analyze this, the first one, this one is repeated 3 times. So here the next pattern is dot in left side. And if we analyze this, and this is repeated 2 times, this is repeated 2 times. So the next one is this one. And if you analyze this, the curve here is in top and here is in bottom. Top, bottom, top, so bottom. And this is the answer. Yes, A is the answer. 2. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of proportion. Identify the relation and find the missing figures. And this is the ball and this is the cricket ground. And this is cork. It is related with badminton. So the answer is badminton court. The answer is B. 3. If Mohit takes a leave on all odd number of days in July 2000XX, then how many days did he work? Assume that every Sunday is a holiday. They have asked us to find the working days. So we have to remove the holidays. First we have to remove all the Sundays. Then we have to remove all odd number of days. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25 and 29 and 31. So we have to calculate the remaining days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is B, 13. 4. Find the word that cannot be formed from the letters of the given word. And the given word is smartphone. The given options are part. P-A-R-T is here. And nose. N-O-S-E-S. This word is also available. And in turn, the letter U is not in smartphone. So, this is the answer. 5. If dog and table are removed from the given arrangement, then dash is third to the left of the book. So we have to remove dog and table. Dog and table. And we have to find dash is third to the left of the book. So from book, okay, left of the book, third, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is chair, A, chair. 6. If this and this, then which of the following is neither lightest nor heaviest? That means it should not be lightest and it should not be heaviest. It should have medium weight. Okay. So in a weighing machine, the downside is the heaviest one. I am writing as H, and the top side is the lightest one. The next figure, arrow is in the bottom side. So this is heavy and this is light. So if we compare these two, this is the heaviest and this is the lightest. So the arrow is the medium one. So the answer is C. 7. Find the mirror image of the given figure. If the mirror is placed along PQ. And in mirror image, the objects in left and right sides are inverted. That means the object in left side goes to right side and right side goes to left side. Okay. So if you take this is in right side. So in mirror image, it goes to left side. And in these two figure, it is in left side. So this may be the answer and this may be the answer. These two are not the answers. Okay. And next one is 6. It's a right and left are interchanged here. But here, top and bottom are inverted. So C is not the answer. A is the answer. And this curve is in left side. It comes in right side. 8. How many fewer circles are there in the figure than the triangles? So in this case we have to find out the number of circles and number of triangles. Then we find the difference. Okay. And here the number of triangles are 8 and the number of circles also 8. And the outer is one circle and the inner is one circle. So total 8. If you find the difference, 8 minus 8 is 0. So the answer is A. 9. Which square must be shaded so that the figure has a line of symmetry? Okay. So I am taking this diagonal. So we have to shade P to get line of symmetry. So the answer is A, P. 10. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure X. You go through all the given options. So the answer is B. And this one. 11. How many of the given numbers has digit 2 at the hundreds place? So if we check these numbers, this is no, and it has 2 at hundreds place 1. This also 2. No, 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 no. Yes, this one 3. No. Yes, this one 4. No. So 4 numbers has digit 2 at hundreds place. So the answer is A4. 12. The sum of 45 tens and 3 hundreds is dash. The answers are given in tens. So I am converting this 300 into tens. 300 is equal to 30 tens. So 30 tens plus 45 tens equal to 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 75 tens. The answer is D. 13. What is the missing number in the box? And this is the missing number. And this missing number is multiplied by 4 minus 7 equal to 25. So we can write this as a equation. So I am taking this missing number as x. X into 4. X into 4 minus 7 equal to 25. Okay. So x into 4 equal to 25 plus 7 equal to 32. Therefore, x is equal to 32 divided 4. So the answer is 4 8s are 32. So x is 8. C 8. 14. Which of the following shows 1 by 4 shaded part? So in fraction, numerator by denominator. In denominator, we have to write the total number of parts. And here the total number of parts are 4. And it has 4 parts. 4 and the shaded portion is 1. So the answer is C. 15. Total value of coin shown here is dash. And here These 3 are 1 rupee coins and these 2 are 50 pies and these 4 are 25 pies. So 1, 2, 3 rupees and these 250 makes 1 rupee. So 3 plus 1, 4 and these 4, 25 makes 1 rupee. And these 250 makes 1 rupee. So 3, 4, 5. So the answer is A, rupees 5. 16. Zarin puts greatest 4-digit even number of marbles in a box. Which of the following will be the Zarin's box? 4-digit even number is 9998. So the answer is B, 9998. 17. The given clock shows the time when the movie starts and it is 9 o'clock. The movie lasted for 3 hours 40 minutes. Which clock shows the time when movie ended? So we have to add this time and this time. So 9 o'clock and 3 hours 40 minutes. If we add this, we get 40 and 9 plus 3 is 1240. So the movie ended at 1240. So 12 means the small arm lies between 12 and 1. This is not correct. Yes. In this figure, the small arm lies between 12 and 1. And 40 means the big arm should be in 8. Yes, this is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. 18. Four friends answered the question shown in the adjoining blackboard. Garima's answer 3507. Shalini's answer 3570. Ritu's answer 357. Shuchi's answer 35,007. Who amongst them answered correctly? First we write the answer for this abacus. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3507. Garima's answer is 3507. Yes, Garima's answer is correct. A, Garima. 19. What is the height of the elephant? And this is the given elephant. And here they have marked up to 40. And here each subdivision is equal to 1. So to find the answer like these problems, you have to use scale, and here it's equivalent to 38 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is C, 38 centimeter. 20. These books represents 36 books. What does one book represent? How many books are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 represents 36 books. That means you have to divide 36 by 6. So the answer is 6. 6 are 36. So answer is A, 6 books. Next topic is everyday mathematics. 21. There are 4,530 girls and 3,428 boys in a school. How many students are there all together? All together means we have to add these two values. So if we add these two values, we get 7,958. So C is the answer. 22. Shanti's lunch break is for 45 minutes. She uses 20 minutes to eat and 15 minutes to help a friend to do her homework. How much time does she have left? Okay. So to find this, first we have to add this 20 and 15. Then you have to subtract the result from 45. So first we add 20 plus 15. We get 35 as the answer and subtract this 35 from this 45. So we get 10. So the answer is 10 minutes, D. 23. In a test of 20 marks, Shaurabh got 15 marks. What fraction of marks did he get? So Saurabh got 15 by total marks. 15 by 20 is the fraction. We have to simplify this fraction with the help of 5 table. 5 3s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. So the answer is C, 3 by 4. 24. Mana distributed 72 toffees among her 9 friends. Find the number of toffees received by each friend. So this is a division problem. 72 divided by 9, that is equal to 9 8s are 72. So the answer is 8. B, 8. 25. Megha caught 1036 fishes. Jia caught 199 fewer fishes than Megha. How many fishes did Jia catch? So we have to subtract these two values. So if we subtract 1036 and 199, we get 837 as the answer. So the answer is A, 837. 26. Varun had a rice bag weighing 234 kg. Amit's bag weighs 541 kg. By how much is Amit's bag heavier? So here we have to subtract these two values. So if we subtract these two values, the answer is 307. So D, 307. 27. Beena bought 3 dresses at rupees 350 each. That means one dress cost is 315. How much did she pay in all for the dresses? So we have to multiply this 315 with 3. So if we multiply 315 with 3, we get 945 as the answer. So A, rupees 945. 28. 49 people are standing in a queue for tickets to see a movie. 27 people buys the tickets and leave. 12 more join the queue. How many people are in the queue now? So total number of people 49 and 27 people buy the ticket. So we have to subtract 27 from 49. 49 minus 27. Then 12 people joined. So we have to add 12. We get the answer. So first we have to subtract this 27 from 49. We get 22 and then we have to add 12. So we get 34. So the answer is B, 34. 29. A reporter wrote a report which is published in a newspaper. It has 26 words in each line. If the reporter has 58 lines, how many words are there in all in the report? So we have to multiply 58 and 26. So if we multiply 58 and 26, we got 1508. So the answer is A, 1508. 30. Mohit went to a historical place which is 1023 km from his village. He cycled 29 km around the city to visit all the important places and took a train back to home. What is the total distance covered by him? And in this problem, Mohit traveled 1023 km from his village to historical places and he returned back to his village by traveled 1023 kilometers. So we have to add these two. At the same time, he cycled around 29 kilometer also. So we have to add this distance also. If we add these three, we get 2075. So the answer is B, 2075 kilometer. Achievers section 31. PQR is a 3-digit number. The digit P is the greatest odd digit. Okay. P is the greatest odd digit is 9. So P is 9. First answer is 9. 9. It has 2. So B is not the answer. 9, 9. And second, R is 4 less than P. P is 9. minus 4, the answer is 5. This is R. So this is third answer. So R is 5. And here R is 2. So this is not the answer. And here R is 5. So this is the answer. And here R is 3. So C is the answer. 32. Find the value of Q minus P. And here they are giving one subtraction problem. 6P92 minus 487Q. The answer is 1914. So to find Q, we have to subtract 4 from 2. We can't subtract 4 from 2. So borrow from here. It's 8 and it becomes 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So the value of Q is 8. And 8 minus 7 is 1. And to find P, we have to add these two values. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7 is here and carry over is here. So the value of P is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is A, 1. 33. Sidak has rupees 950. She bought 2 dolls, 3 hen and a teddy bear. How much money will be left with her? So first we have to find out the cost of 2 dolls, 3 hen and a teddy bear. Then we have to add these three value and then subtract that value from 950. Okay. First we find out the cost of these three. This is 1 by 3 of 360 means you have to divide this 360 by 3. So if we use 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and this 0. So its cost is rupees 120. And 1 by 2 of 160 means you have to divide this 160 by 2. So you get 2 ones are 2, 8 6 are 16, 0. 80 rupees. And 1 by 4 of 480 means divide by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 0. Its cost is 120 rupees. Okay. And the cost of 2 dolls, 2 into 120 equal to 240 rupees. And the cost of 3 hens, 3 into 80 equal to 240, and the cost of 1 teddy bear equal to 1 into 120 equal to 120. If we add these three, we get 600. Now we subtract this 600 from the total amount. So if we subtract 600 from 950, we get 350. So A, rupees 350 left with her. 34. A tiger is 27 kg heavier than a monkey. A monkey is 7 kg heavier than a bird. The weight of the bird is 8 kg. What is total weight of the tiger and the bird? So we have to find out the weight of the tiger and bird and then we have to add these two. Weight of a bird is given as 8 kg, and weight of the monkey is 7 kg heavier than a bird. So 7 plus weight of the bird is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. And weight of the tiger is 27 kg heavier than the monkey. Monkey's weight is 15. So if we add these two, the answer is 42. 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 here and carry over 1 is here, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. But we have to find the total weight of tiger and bird. So tiger weight is 42 and bird's weight is 8. 42 plus 8. Its value is 8 plus 2 is 0. Carry over 1 is here 5. So the answer is 50 kg B. 35. The picture graph below shows the number of pens 5 boys have. Okay. And this is Raj, Rohit, Rahul, Shivam, Ali. 1 star is equal to 5 pens. If there are total 180 pens, then Ali has dash pens. First we have to find out the number of pens of Raj, Rohit, Rahul and Shivam. Then we have to add these 4 values and then subtract that value from 180. And Raj has 7 stars, Rohit has 5 stars, Rahul has 4 stars, Shivam has 6 stars. Each star is equal to 5 pence. So 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. And this 5 5s are 25. 4 5s are 20 and 6 5s are 30. We have to add all these values. So if we add these 4, we get 110 and we have to subtract this 110 from 180. 180 minus 110. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 70. So the answer is D, 70. So my dear students, today we have discussed 2015 IMO question paper for class 3 students. And give your comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.